Hello everybody, I've got myself a camera and I'm going to take you farming. Come on ahead, let's go. Now I hope you can hear me with the wind, because the weather this July, well, it hasn't been July weather at all. We've had nothing, only rain, wind and more rain, and it is getting ridiculous. So I am standing in a ploughed field that we ploughed way back in June. That should have been planted long ago, but it's sat here ever since. It and two other fields are in the exact same boat. They've just sat here and plough, and you can actually see that the weeds are starting to grow and nothing else is growing because we haven't even planted it. But that's one problem with this field, that it's far too wet. The second problem is, as you can see, it's full of stones. So whenever I put up a story, before stories were put in the naughty corner on YouTube, of me working some other ground that was going to be planted in a grass reseed, I got perfectly reasonable questions. Something along the lines of, what on earth are you doing in that field? It's like a highway, it's full of stones. And I would agree, yes, we're full of stones. What I did say then is that I would put up a video of our wee solution for that. So, I suppose first of all, what I'll do is show you what we used to do. And this is what we used to do. It's very special. Where do you see? We used to pick up all the stones by hand. We used to chuck them into the loader of the bucket, or loader of the digger, put them into a trailer, count them in a corner somewhere, and that was as good as it got. And by the time we had gone over these fields 3 or 4 times each, our backs were wrecked, our hands were scraped off us, and we were pretty fed up. So, more recently we came upon a better solution, and that is in the form of a contractor, Chambers Contracts, and he has a Kongskilde, I think is how you pronounce it. I'll write it down here. Stone lifter. So this is something that goes in the back of the tractor that lifts all the stones for you. It drives along a nicely harrowed field and just scoops up all the stones, perfectly clean, hardly misses any, practically misses none, and clean as a whistle, throw them into the trailer for you, and you can work away. Saves your back, you get lovely fill out of it in the form of nice clean stones, and everybody's happy. So I've put together a wee video of the last time he was out. I can only hope that he gets out again soon, because if the weather keeps the way it is, this is just going to lie here all winter and we're going to get nothing planted, and I don't know what I'm going to feed the cows over the winter, so you know, fingers crossed for that. But in between times, I'll worry about that, and you just watch this video and hopefully you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, bye.